What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm actually going to be just kind of filming in the car because I'm going to a phone meetup and it'll take me about 15 minutes. So I thought I'd film a video for you guys. And I'm going to be talking about exactly my kind of like phone flipping story, kind of how I got started and how I got to the point where I'm at right now. So with that said, let's get into today's video. So if you guys don't know, I actually got started with phone flipping about 7-8 months ago. It was approximately like October. I'm in my senior year currently, so it was just kind of when I started my senior year of college. And I was just kind of looking for ways to make money. I was kind of bored. I wanted to do something with my time, and I used to be really passionate into fitness, and so I had to give that up just because of health concerns. So now I'm kind of stuck, and I was like, how do I make money? So I got pretty into YouTube, and I was just kind of like digging deep into YouTube, and I was just kind of different ways to make money. And so I came across this video. His name was like Sebastian Esqueda. If you guys want to check him out, I'll leave his like channel in the description down below because I have to give credit to him. He's been a really good friend to me since the beginning with phone flipping, and he got me kind of into it. He just released one video on the idea of phone flipping. Nothing too in depth or anything. It was just kind of like this is what you're supposed to do, this is how you make money with it. And so like nothing to avoid, any way to avoid scams, or like I didn't know anything about that. It was just like the idea of it. I didn't know anything about phone flipping, so I ended up like looking at the video, and that day one thing that he told in the video was put up a Craigslist ad. So I put up a Craigslist ad, just as like some stupid little thing. I didn't even have a good picture. I don't even think I had a picture on it. It was just like cash for iPhones and let me buy your phone, and then I gave my number in the description. So I ended up putting up the ad, and I actually got like a phone call probably like 15 minutes after I put it up, and I was like, no way, is it that easy? And yeah, it is that easy, guys, but you know, again, there are things you have to take into consideration, but it really is that easy in the sense of all you have to do is put up ads. So the guy texted me, he said, I have an iPhone 7 Plus, like brand new, still in box, but it was unsealed. And I was like, oh man, like that's sick. And then he told me about doing the whole like eBay. That's how you like appraise a phone. So I did it. And so it was like around like $550 you could sell it for them, like around that time, because they were a little bit higher back then. And so I appraised it and I said $300, and he was like, all right. And then I ended up meeting with him just at a gas station. I didn't know anything about taking precautions, but again, I thought of it as like a public place, but I didn't even know what an IMEI was. So I ended up going there, just checked around the phone, looked at it, and then like I was like, all right, like I was just kind of like leveraging, because I've always been good at sales. So I was like, like, you know what, like money's kind of tight right now, so I can give you like $200. So I ended up giving $200 for like a brand new iPhone 7 Plus. And then one reason he gave it to me, like I went up and later, like I listed on eBay because that's how he told me to do it. I didn't really know about local reselling, and so I ended up putting it on eBay. It sold, and I shipped out and everything. Like everything was fine. I printed my label on eBay, and I actually shipped, like the phone ended up being financed, bad IMEI and everything. And it ended up that the guy on the other side who bought the phone was kind of like an amateur in a sense too, but he like was like filed a refund, and I was like, crap, like what do I do? And so I was like, I'll just take the hit or whatever. He ended up canceling the refund. He was like, I'll figure out what to do with it. And I guarantee that's never gonna happen to you guys. It was probably the luckiest thing of my life in terms of like getting saved, and I didn't deserve that money, but I ended up doing it. And so like that honestly motivated me so much to learn, because I was like, you know what, there's probably a lot more to this. So that's why I released this channel, so you guys can like avoid things like this, because I didn't have that like opportunity when I was got into phone flipping. Nobody told me what to do, and yeah, there were courses out there. I didn't even, one, know there was courses, and two, I don't want to spend that much money, and like that's why I release this content for free. But like for like the bill of sale and stuff and all those pictures, like I've earned those. So, and like also giving a 30-minute consulting call. If you guys want all of that, it's like $29.95. It's the first link down below in the description. So definitely, if you want it, you can go buy it. But it really will help you financially and legally, and help you put up like effective picture ads, because that's a big part of this industry. But really, I give out my information for free because that's exactly what I wanted. I know I can monetize it in different ways, so that's what I'm doing. But I don't want to put you guys in a position where I necessarily I'm just gonna charge like $500 for a damn course when this isn't that hard of a thing. Yeah, I can make a lot of videos on it, and there's a lot of scams out there, but I'm trying to be the one guy out there that's like truly nice about this industry. There's a lot of schemy people in this industry that are just trying to get your quick buck by selling courses. And yeah, I might release a course in the future, but it's not just going to be a course. It'll be like a mentorship program, maybe taking you on one-on-one, like scaling your business. Or maybe I go out there and like fly, I'll fly out there and we go like hard for a weekend and I can show you literally in depth, something like that. It'll be different. I don't want to do a course. There's so many courses out there and nobody just wants to spend $500 and just like use a course. And like, yeah, you'll learn a lot and you'll probably avoid some scams and stuff like that, but it really isn't worth that. Like, you can monetize in such better ways, and that's why I'm differentiating myself in this industry. But I got a little bit off topic, and from there on, I really just started learning, and like I got in different phone flipping Facebook groups, ended up getting kicked out of one because I was trying to promote this YouTube, which was dumb of me, I shouldn't have, but I ended up learning a lot from like SIM cards to negotiating, all of that. I learned from phone flipping, like Facebook groups, and also like just trial and error. And that's why I honestly think I created this YouTube channel. I've made effective videos, because I'm not coming to you from like this is what you're supposed to do. I'm coming to you from this is what I've done, this is the mistakes I've made, so here's how to avoid it. And that's what I really think is like valuable behind my channel. So I ended up releasing a channel because I wanted to release that information, and through these months I started getting more and more traction, just learning things, and I've had every mistake in the book, like nothing, like everything you can imagine. People finance phones that have come to me and I didn't recognize, bad IMEI. I've had people that like signed in the iCloud but they reset the phone and I didn't know you could still have an iCloud on there. And then like just everything you can kind of think of. So that's why I'm coming to you guys. Like, I want to release this story because like this, like it doesn't happen overnight. Like, I learned all this information over the time. And like, that's why, like, if you guys watch my videos, you're going to learn so much faster than me. But with that said, like, you're going to make mistakes and that's fine, but you have to use it as a learning opportunity. You might, in this industry, what I've recognized is you don't really lose money that often. If anything, you're just going to get your money back or like gain like a couple different phones here and there. There's never really an opportunity where you just lose money in like a bulk amount, unless you like get robbed for a phone or something like that. So like, one thing I just really want to tell you guys is just like put in the work. Like, you'll make mistakes, but that's okay. But hopefully you're going to make a lot less mistakes than I did. But that's kind of how I got to the point where I am. I'm making about $3,000 to $5,000 every single month doing this. And I'm honestly putting in just a couple hours of work every single day. It's nothing too crazy or anything like that, but it's enough to I'm going to be going full time with it after college because of your guys' advice. So like, I'm going to be able to scale this business, automate it a little, and I'll go into different businesses and I'll teach you guys exactly what I'm doing. I want you guys to have the same success that I'm having. And I'm not saying that I'm successful, but I also want to say, like, I think I've found a passion of mine and I think I'm really good at it. So one, I want to monetize that in a sense, but two, I just want to help other people. Like, I didn't have that information, I want you guys to. So like, I kind of rambled a little bit in this video, but that's why I wanted to create it. I'm going to a phone meetup, so I thought I'd film a pretty cool video for you guys, just kind of let you know how I got started. I didn't buy a course or anything like that, so like, I don't recommend you guys necessarily do it either. You can, there's other good courses out there, but I give this information for free, so why not use it? Tell your friends, tell your family. If you know other people in other groups that are like thinking about buying a course, put them to this YouTube channel first, and I guarantee in those courses there's other information that I don't talk about, but like nothing that's going to really affect you too much, because I've released pretty much a lot of the basis of what this industry is and how to avoid pretty much every single scam. So bring them to this YouTube channel. If they don't like find everything they need, go buy the course. That I preach, and I love when people like invest in themselves and invest in knowledge, because if you invest in yourself, like, that's one thing that I've had a lot of trouble with. Like I hate spending money just like on a stupid course, because I bought one for drop shipping at one point, but it does help, and it, like, knowledge is really power in this industry. And if that's what you want to make money with, you can monetize based on the information and also actually using that information, not just giving it out. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed. If you're not in the family, hit that little subscription button down below. I'd really appreciate the support. We're at 320 right now. We've been growing insane numbers, so I'm pretty excited. So again, like, I'd really appreciate the support. And if you're not in that phone flipping Facebook group, is that first link down below, as well as I have that link for If you guys want like the ad pictures and a 30-minute consulting call and a bill of sale all together, I think it's like $29.95. It's nothing. You should make about $100 a phone. So invest in it if you want it. If you don't see value, don't. I'm not pressuring you guys in anything. But with that said, I hope you guys have a great Friday. Enjoy the weekend. Go kill it this weekend. I know you guys, it's coming to the end of the month. Phones are going to be starting to get on the market pretty quickly here. So definitely get in front of those phones, put out some ads, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next video.